Good morning, Chan. Hello, everyone. Today I come here to present about kangaroo. Kangaroo is a big jumping animal that lives in Australia. It has strong leg and a long tail which it helps jump very far. Kangaroo are marsupial, which means the mother carry her baby in a pouch on her belly. The baby called Juan. Kangaroo eat grass and leaves. They are good at running and hopping quickly. Kangaroo are social animal and live in group called mob. They are famous for their powerful leg and big strong tail. Kangaroo is a unique animal and many people love to see them in the world or at the zoo. Goodbye teacher, goodbye friend for listening to me.